Okay, sir.
Okay, so today we are going to finish this diagnostic test cases. How to write the test cases, we'll finish it. So diagnostics will be wind up. Next, infotainment is there pending. So it'll be completed in a one day. Guys, I have given a task. Like I have shared one SRD document. Did you gone through, guys? Hmm? Naveen Kumar. Naveen nako sir call jiva. See her.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Abhilash. Okay. Okay, guys, shall we start? One second. Diagnostics. Okay. Okay. Guys, are you getting my screen? No? Okay. Right. Look. So test cases writing. How to write the test cases? Diagnostics. Correct. We know 10. So how many subfunctions, guys? 10. All. How many subfunctions we have? Guru. Guru is not there.
10, 11, 22, 2E, 3E,
నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంది how many subfunctions అని అన్న 10 కి but 10 how many
3,
subfunctions?
3, 3, 3
sir.
subfunctions.
Yes. So how
Three,
to
sir.
write the test cases? How to write the test cases? Now we are going to look. See, this is test case number. Okay. So this is test case number module. What module? Diagnostic session control. So this is we are writing test cases for 10. Description. Verify that this is Test case name you can write instead of test case description. Test case name. So this is name. So otherwise, wait. Right. So here description. So description means what? Elaboration. What is that actually? Okay. Test case name. Okay. Right. So test case name, diagnostic session control, default. We are checking default. Right. Guys, listen carefully. So this is description. Precondition. So to do this diagnostic session control, precondition we are writing. What is precondition? Set battery voltage 13.5. Power is on, ignition on. Verify that ECU should be on. ఇక్కడ దాకా అర్థమైందా? Till here got it guys. Till here all. Siddhiram.
Yes, sir.
Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is precondition. Next post condition, or we can call it is test steps. Action, anything guys, action, test steps. Huh? Okay, action. So what is action here? Send a diagnostic request on. This is message actually. So this is a message name. 1 second guys. Hello. Hello. నేను క్లాస్ లో ఉన్న మళ్ళీ చేస్తా. సరే సార్. Okay. Send diagnostic request on. This is message guys. In this scan message, what is the message ID? 740 with the appropriate data length. Send, we should send. This is the action. So what is the step? 1001. Send in this message 1001. Okay. DLC is 2 bytes. 2 bytes. Expected result. What is expected result? 5001. 001. This is actually 1 millisecond guys. 1 millisecond. 000A is 10 milliseconds. So this is P2 max. So this is P2 star max. So this is expected result. This is we are sending. This is steps. Okay. Expected result. Actual result. Whatever we'll get on the bench, that is actual result. Okay. Next. Test verdict. Otherwise result. So what we got? So if it is pass, so we can add some other column also like test result. So step pass or fail, we can add it here guys. So if it is same expected and actually same, then we'll write pass. Yes, pass. Got it? All. If it is different, then we'll write failed. Next, see diagnostics programming session. So what is test case name? Oh, this is extended. Okay. Diagnostic session control. Extended session. This is second test case. Diagnostics extended. So same precondition is same. So we should send the message. So మనం message ni send చేస్తాం 1003. In this message 1003. This is response. Got it? This is response. Expected result. Next. Session control. Now programming session. This is another test case. Okay. So same precondition. So we should send 1002 checking. So this is not required. Okay. In the one project it was there, but you don't want that. Next, I'll share this one, but anyhow, this document. Next.
Sir, actually 1002 is the program session, sir.
Correct. 1002 is programming session. Yes. Yes.
But here
session,
diagnostic
programming
0.
session. We are sending 10. Where? Where man?
No,
First
no,
column.
sir. It's not. No, sir. It's confusing. It's clear, not clear. Okay.
Clear. This is just test case name here. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Session control. So what is session in the session control? programming session 10.02 we are sending. Next, diagnostic session control. In this, ikkada baga gamaninchandi, observe this one. Diagnostic sessions default to extend. It means first we will send 10.01, then 10.03. Got it? So transitions from 10.01, then 10.03. Next, 10.01 to 10.02. Next, 10.02 to 1, 3 to 1, 3 to 2. Got it, guys? Next, NRC is checking. See, this is NRC checking 12. So NRC checking is what we are sending 10.04. So we got 12. So we are getting 12. And tell me what is this, guys? Tell 12. What is that? 12. Sidiram.
Sir, NRC, sir.
Okay, NRC. What is the name of that NRC? I know that is NRC. Yes. Subfunction not
Subfunctions.
supported. Correct. See. So 04 is not there, no. So that's why subfunction. 13, invalid format. See, we are sending 10. So we will get 13. Next. See here. Another one. So 10.02 to 3, it will not transmit, guys. It will transmit from 3 to 2. 10.03 to 2, it will transmit generally. So 2 to 3 won't possible. The possibility is 3 to 2. Okay. Extended to programming we can enter. So that's why we got this is another NRC. This is actually condition not correct. What is the condition? We are entering from 2 to 3. So it's not correct. So it should enter 3 to 2. This is another NRC. They'll ask in the interview, what NRCs did you tested? Next, this guys, see carefully, observe. So we are sending the message. So we are sending the data in this message 740. And here, if you observe, we are sending the same 10.01, but it is 441, 0 cross 0 441. So this is physical address, guys, and this is functional address. We are checking the functional address also. Got it, guys? All? Got it all? All. Physical address, functional address, both you need to check. Next. Next, I'll go to reset 11. So how we want to check? So this is 11.01. 11.01 hard reset. See, module ECU reset. Hard reset in default session. See, guys. For example, 11.0 is there. 11.01 is there. So you need to check in 10.01. First you need to send 10.01, then 11.01. Next, another test case. 10.02, 11.01. 10.03, 11.01. It means you need to check in all the sessions. All the sessions, guys. Because some services will work in all the sessions. Some services will not work in the all the sessions. For example, 27 is there. Security access. Even this control DTC is there, 85. It will not work. It will not work in the default session. It will work only extended session, guys. Okay. Right. So this is ECU reset. So first, so hard reset in default session. So first, this is precondition, set battery voltage, power on, this thing, verify ECU should be on, send diagnostic request 10.01 on this message with the appropriate data length. Okay. Next, send ECU reset 11.01. Okay. Class long. Okay, guys. So you need to send 11.01, 51.01. This is response. Next, hard reset in extended session. hard reset in programming session. It means 11 is working in the all the sessions. Next, standby session. We don't want standby session. Soft reset. So here 1103 is there. So this is wrong. So we need to send 1103. Okay. So 1103 in default. 1103 in extended. It is soft reset, guys. 1103. Okay. Then negative response. So 12 subfunction not support, because see, we are sending 1100. So subfunction will not support. That is 1 NRC. Like that, we need to write the test case. So I'll go to the 22. Read data by identifier. Guys, in the video, I have shown different DIDs. Can you tell me some DIDs, please? At least some. It should be in fingertips here. Tell me, please, some DIDs. DID names.
Manufacturer, sir.
So you will explain in the interview in the same.
Application.
So if you are like this, do I need to forward your profiles? See how the answers are like application, sir, sir, manufacturer, sir, what? I ask the DID's names, some at least. I've already told also. I have said so many times also. Application software version, boot software version, VIN number, original VIN number, battery voltage, vehicle speed. Okay. ECU lifetime. So these are like DIDs, man. You always knew. Fine. So see. So this is one DID. Activation signals from bus read. Okay. See here, battery voltage we will set power on, ignition on. Okay. Send diagnostic request 1001, and we are sending send request 220274. This is actually one DID, guys, on this message. So you will get the response. What is the response? 62 is positive response, and DID XX is here data. Okay, data. Whatever the data you'll get it here. Next, send. So in the extended session 1003. Okay, you need to check 22. In the programming session, yes, you need to check. Okay. So like this, you need to check all the DIDs. Actually, some DIDs will not work in programming session. Some will not work in the default. So I will give you the list where what DIDs will work. Okay. Next, tester present. How to test the tester present? So for example, tester present. Now 1003 is we are sending. Then send 3E. So you should get. So if you send 3E, response is 7E00. So what is the expected result? Extended session will be continuous until the session change. So until the session change, this extended session will be continued for the same programming also. Okay. So for this is the tester presented testing, guys. Okay, checking. Next 85, control DTC settings. Please go through this. IO control 2F. Okay. Next, communication control 28. So I'll explain this too later in the when we get the flashing sequence. I'll explain this 2F now. 2F, guys, listen carefully. 2F is IO control, guys, input output control. Okay. in output control. So input, what is it? See, wait. Tell me guys. So this is CANOE software, CANCase Excel, ECU, SMPC, camera, power supply we have given to the ECU, and these are CAN wires. Okay, these two wires, CAN wires. So tell me what is the input to the ECU? SMPC, take SMPC, stereo multi-purpose camera or night vision camera. This is ECU. Okay, this is camera. What is inputs to the ECU? Tell me guys.
Power supply.
Power supply is one input. Yes. CAN signals are inputs. Camera is also one input. So I want to disconnect this one, but listen very carefully. But I don't want to remove the wire. See, నేను కనెక్షన్ ని డిస్కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి. I want to stop the input. I want to stop the images from the camera, but I should not remove the wire. సో నేను వైర్ రిమూవ్ చేయకూడదు, కానీ కెమెరా నుంచి వచ్చే ఇన్పుట్ ఆగిపోవాలి. ఏం చేయాలి అని అంటే, సో by using 2F, by using a 2F, okay, outputs or inputs guys, we can able to stop or start, means connect, disconnect, we can able to do by using this 2F. See, for every input is having, for every input, see for example camera is there, so camera has one input is there, so one input ID will be there, for example 10. Okay, this is, we call it is IOID. Okay, so input, power supply ki kuda, so to the power supply also you have one ID. This is not DID, but this is ID, input ID. Okay, so by using this ID and service 2F, we will, what will do? See now, IO control, windshield heater. So windshield at the camera area, because this car is making for US, Germany, Europe, right? So they have too much cold, so camera may not work because of fog. So they have heater is there. So for the heater, windshield heater, D003 is the D003 is the ID. Okay, ID. So set battery voltage and set diagnostic 1001 and 1003. See, so this is not working in the, this cannot work in the 1001. So it will work only in the extended session. Okay, so we are going to 1001, then 1003, then IO 2F D003. So this is control guys, XXYY. If you send XC, XXYY is pulse duration, how much time needs to stop. Okay, so that we can give here. So if you send this one, a particular windshield heater related one will be stopped. Okay, next, see here it is short term adjustment. One thing in the IO, we short term adjustment, return control to the ECU. Again we are giving a control to the ECU. This is another one, and short term adjustment in a, okay, short term adjustment to return control guys. So we can able to stop sometime, and we will give the return control to the ECU. So this is what. So send IO control request 2F D. What is the here D000? This is IO ID of the windshield heater. Same way 2F. So 1001, for example, power supply. So short term adjustment, we will give some like 5 seconds or 1 minute, like that will give the short term adjustment. So power supply we can stop. For example, I want to stop camera. So 2F 10 10. This is camera ID, IO ID. Then we'll stop 0005. Again, if you want to give control to the ECU, you don't want to control, then 2F that IO ID. So 1001 if you give, then it will set means it will connect. It will connect to the power supply. So if you send this one, it will disconnect. Okay. If you send this, then it will connect, guys. Got it, guys? Connection and disconnection. So for that, we have written the test cases. IO control is 2F. Routine control is 31. So here in the routine control, we have 3 service IDs are there. Sorry, 3 sub functions are there, guys. 01 start routine. 02 stop routine. 03 routine results. లేదా request results. Otherwise request results. 101 means start routine. 3102 means stop routine. 3103 means whatever you are doing the routine, I want results. That is the meaning. Now we will see how we will send the routine control. Guys, even the way we have IDs to the IOs or DIDs, మనకి ఎలాగైతే DIDలకి DIDలు ఉన్నాయో IOలకి IDలు ఉన్నాయో సేమ్ వే హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫంక్షన్ ఫర్ ద ఫంక్షన్ కోసము ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇఫ్ యు సెండ్ shit if you send shit if you send this one, so routine control calibration routine control results standby, this is if you send send UART data. Okay, we want to send some data, guys. Okay, 3101, this is start routine. What is the routine UART data sending? Okay, for that what is the ID? See, for this functionality you have one ID. So 0312 is ID. So like this different functions has different IDs. See here 0201 is another DID, sorry, RID. Here it is, see here histogram data 0213. Here see this 0300. This is another data, guys. Okay, calibration, different data. So to perform a different routine means what? Function. So to do the task by the ECU, to do the routine by the ECU, you need to send one routine ID, start routine, and service ID. Service ID, start routine, and RID. We call it is RID, routine ID. If you send routine ID, that functionality will work inside the ECU. మీరు RID పంపిస్తే చాలు 3101 RID if you send, the work will start inside automatically. Okay, got it, guys? This is routine control 31. 3 sub functions, remember this one. In the interview they'll ask. And this is 19, how to send. See 1901 02 how to send. Okay, again 0F is there, so many things. 06 is there, I think 04 is not there here. Okay, next I'll show another is FCA? Where is FCA? One second, guys. I'll show another way of writing the test cases. See, whatever the way, guys, people should able to understand. That's the first thing. Now I'll explain in another way. Test cases writing. This is Fiat Chrysler. Earlier I have shown the test cases for the Mahindra. This is Fiat Chrysler. See here. So we are writing the test cases. So your test Excel sheet will be like this. So different columns are there, different sheets are there. Okay. What is this, man? Microsoft. Okay. I don't know. Shit. One second, guys. Hey, Chedil. ఏమ్మా ఏందన్నా వెళ్ళిపోలా తాతను అడిగి ఉండకూడదు తీసుకెళ్ళాలి తీసుకొస్తాను
సార్ సార్ ఇది ఐఓ కంట్రోల్ ఉంది కదా సార్ ఐఓ కంట్రోల్ కి మనం 2FD003 అని ఉంది కదా, అది మన సబ్ ఫంక్షన్ అనాలా ఐడి అనాలా?
ఐఓ ఐడి అనండి చాలు.
ఓకే సార్.
You can call it as IO ID. Okay, no problem. Here, what is this, man? Sorry, but we have troubles. Okay. Okay, see. DIDs. Yep. See, these are DIDs. We are checking. What is this? This is DIDs testing, right? Okay. Come to here. We can turn it. See here 10. So this is one way to writing the test cases. ఇంతకు ముందు చూపించింది. Earlier I have shown another way. This is another way, guys. See, Fiat Chrysler 10 with physical addressing request in the normal voltage positive response. What here they are doing? Precondition. Precondition is common, guys. Valid software should be flashed. ECU should on. Power supply, ignition, those things. Okay. ECU should be fault free. No fault should. Okay. Next, power up. Okay. With the normal voltage. So, transmit battery voltage. Right. Transmit battery voltage using. What is this? Transmit battery, verify the service, lock key. Okay. Not required this one. Another test case, default session, right? Default session. Okay. Transmit DID, which session we are default? 01 we are sending. Sending what? He has written extra steps, guys. No need to bother about this thing. First he is checking which session it is. So now he is sending 1001. So we got the positive response. This is positive response. See here. 50 milliseconds and 5000 milliseconds. And checking which session it is. Next. Another session. So 1002. So we this is C, check. Guys, I said if you want response. Zoom out. if you 1 second, zoom option. Okay, so if you want to suppress the response, you don't want the response, then you need to send 1081. If it starts with the 8, 81, 82, 80, anything, guys. So you don't get the rest. No response for the service. I'll share this one. Okay, but which session it is now? Default still. Next, same way we need to write the test case for 1003 extended session. Checking which session we are next. 83 response suppress. Okay. Next, same way programming session like that. Next, ECU reset. So we are checking in all the sessions, guys. So first we'll send which session it is. 1001 default session. Next 1101, 5101. Next we are entering into this is suppressed. See 11 also. If you send 1181, you don't get any response, guys. You don't get any response. Sorry, 1101 hard reset. So you will get, what is this? 5101. Next, even 1002 send 1181. Earlier also see 1002 1101. Huh? 1002 1181. Come to here again. 1003 1101. Next 1003 1181. Got it, guys? Are you getting my this thing intention? All. So again, it is earlier physical addressing, and we will start with the functional addressing here. So physical address you need to check, functional address also you need to check in all the sessions, guys. Next 3E, how to test. 22. This is one example. 22 has so many DIDs are there. I'll show better. This is some examples for this. 22.1. 2E to write the proxy data. How to write? I'll show one. Guys, listen carefully. So these are the DIDs. So we are writing some proxy data. Maybe very this is not zooming. This is company's data. Okay. See, guys, listen carefully. So here by using 2E, this is 2E, guys. 2E F183 is DID. We are writing this data. So this data we are writing by using the DID and 2E. 2E DID some data, guys. 2E DID some data, guys. Listen very carefully. This is writing data. How to write, guys? 2E DID, whatever the data you are writing, that DID and data. Okay, that you can able to. So another, see this also you need to check in all the sessions. 1001 you need to enter and then send like this. 1002 and then send like that. But unfortunately, it will not. 2E will not work in the 1002 and the 1001, guys. So no need to worry about it. So you have to send only in the 1003 extended session. If you send in the 1002, you will get NRCs, negative responses, guys. Check. So 1002, he is trying to send 2E FF05 some data, but he got the response 7F 2E 31. It means request out of range. So it is not possible. Request out of range. Okay, 31's NRC is what? Request out of range, guys. Okay, got it. So writing, how to write? 2E DID data. That's it. Okay, all fine. Next. 14, clear DTC. So I already told this in the now while explaining 19. So how to check? So you need to create this testing. First, you need to create one fault. That should be active state. Send into historic state. Then send 14FF. It will be cleared. Got it all? Next 19. So this is how to test the 19. Please go through the 19. How to test this. Even NRCs also. I am giving all the services, guys. All the services here. See here 22. All. You have so many DIDs are there. At least some, guys. At least some. Have to go through. I'll share this document to you guys. Okay, next. Proxy. Yeah. See, this is I've already told proxy data 2E. So in this, as particularly 2E, how to test is there in this Excel. Next, it is a regression test. DTC matrix. Guys, listen carefully. See here, these are the DTCs, guys. Means problems, faults in that EC. What is a fault? Battery voltage circuit below threshold means low voltage, above threshold. Night vision. These are night vision camera. This is night vision control module system internal failure. This is another DTC problem. CAN bus off. Huh? Hello. 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 Okay, sorry guys. So video line DTC, it means camera has disconnected, sensor adjustment required, alignment missed, alignment missing. So like that you have DTCs. Company will give guys this. Generally we call it is DTC matrix. They will ask the questions where you have this DTC list. So you can tell DTC matrix. Next, see writing proxy data example. So proxy data, proxy. See here, 2E 2023 is DID and this is completely data we are trying to write. So this is we got positive response. We got positive response. Checking in all, like first see you need to enter into 1003 then write. Okay, next even you have to enter into default. See default session. So we are checking in extended. Now we will check in the default. So in the default, this is default. So I don't know. This is writing. It should proxy data. It should write in the extended sessions. Okay. So thing is, in all the sessions, you have to check all the services. So enter into 1001. Test all the services. 22, 2E, all. Enter into 1002. Test all. Enter into 1003. All. Like that. Next EDVR, I'll go and I'll show where it will work. See guys, physical address. Okay, these are all DIDs, guys. Okay, these are all DIDs. If so, 62 F10B00 is the data in the default session. This is default session. Next come extended session and programming session. This is a way to write the test case also. This is also good, simple. So DIDs, default session, all the DIDs checking. The extended session, see, extended session, all. Programming session, all. That's simple, na? Next, this is physical addressing and come functional addressing. You have to check in the function also. Same DIDs, guys. All DIDs in the default session and in the extended session and programming session. See, this is extended pro. So you need to send. First, you have to enter into default. Then send all the DIDs and check what is the response. And then enter into extended session. Okay. Then check all DIDs. The data should be equal. So e data, our data same undali. If you send DID, whatever you are getting from the this data and the ECU data should be mapped. So see, if you send in the programming session, so F10 be no response. So somewhere no responses are there. See, no response. Somewhere you have negative responses also there, guys. Means it will not work. Negative responses also will be there. No responses. See, 7F31. In the physical address, see 7F31. 7F31. It means in the programming session, some DIDs are not work. Request out of range, it means. If you take the same, see, this is 7F20 to 31, correct? In the programming session, we got negative response, but comes to the extended session. See, we got data. This is data. So here it is negative response, but here it is data. Next come to the default. Default also is getting. So some sessions DIDs will give NRCs, some sessions it will give data. So that's what we have to check. I'll share this Excel sheets, how to write the test cases for future reference. మీ future reference కోసం కంపెనీలో ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలనేది ఉంటుంది ఓకేనా సో ఐల్ షేర్ దిస్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ గైస్ సో దిస్ ఇస్ డయాగ్నోస్టిక్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ విల్ వైండ్ అప్ ద డయాగ్నోస్టిక్స్ గైస్ ఇంకొకటే కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది ఫ్లాషింగ్ సీక్వెన్స్ సో ఇన్ ది ఇంటర్వ్యూ దే ఆస్క్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ పక్కా ఐల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ లేటర్ బట్ ఓకే దిస్ డయాగ్నోస్టిక్స్ ఫ్లాషింగ్ that is just a 15 minutes class. I'll complete that one. So this is diagnostics, guys. I'll share this diagnostics test cases. Don't share to anybody. Very, very important. It's a crucial also. Okay. Right. Tomorrow I'll explain this flashing sequence and infotainment HMI testing, how to test, and even media testing. I'll complete the system also. Okay, I'll share the companies today. Company list. Please put it and send to me. Info. See, you can put projects. Infotainment, night vision camera diagnostics, SMPC diagnostics, front camera module diagnostics, SRR short range radar diagnostics, long range radar, medium range radar, parking camera, rear view camera. So these are the names of the project in the ADAS. Next, you can put cluster project also, cluster testing, instrument panel cluster. So telltales and those checking, and infotainment, multimedia. Somebody can put infotainment, somebody can put multimedia. Okay, now guys. Okay, so this is a way to put in the projects, guys. Got it all?
Projects is enough.
That's your wish, guys. 3 years people, you can put 3 projects.
Okay, sir.
2 years 2, 1 year 2, 1.5 year 2. It will be like that. Okay, that is balancing.
Okay, sir.
How you able to explain in the interview? That's the main thing. Okay. Right. Okay, Naveen, Anil, call me, guys. Okay, fine. Thanks. We'll wind up the class today. We'll discuss tomorrow. So mostly 2 days like the CAPL untundi, but I'll explain the CAPL. Meanwhile, just 2 classes, maybe Saturday or Saturday. No, Saturday not. Maybe Monday or somewhere. We'll try to finish it 1 or 2 days, but that is not a barrier, guys. To go ahead. I'll give some explanation. I'll give some links also. Please go through the CAPL script. I'll explain the CAPL script also. That's just 3 class it is. Okay. We'll wind up. Thank you all. గైస్ ఫీజెస్ ఎవరైతే పంపలేదో గణేష్ నీది అస్సలు ఏం అర్థం కాల. గైస్ ఫీజెస్ ఎవరైతే పంపలేదో అందరూ పంపించండి. దిస్ ఇస్ లాస్ట్ రిక్వెస్ట్. థ్యాంక్స్. సో హూ వాంట్స్ టు సెండ్ ద ఫీజెస్ ప్లీజ్ సెండ్ ఇట్ గైస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్. ఎనీ డౌట్? Okay, bye.